Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a calendar in Excel. You will learn how to add an interactive date picker right inside your sheet. No complex coding and no confusion. Perfect for schedules, project plans, and forms. To insert a calendar, we first need to enable something called the Developer tab. Don't worry, it's just a one-time setup. Click on File and select Options. In the left panel, choose Customize ribbon. Now, on the right side, you will see a list of tabs. Just check the box for the developer and hit OK. You will now see a tab up here called Developer. That means we are good to go. There are a few ways to add a calendar in Excel, but I am going to show you the most straightforward method. Something that works in just a couple of clicks. Now let's bring in the actual calendar. Click on the Developer tab and then Add-ins. In the window that pops up, make sure you are in the Store tab. Now, type calendar into the search bar. You will see a result called Mini Calendar and Date Picker. This is exactly what we need. Click Add, accept any permission prompts, and boom! The calendar is now ready to use inside your sheet. Once the calendar loads, you will notice your mouse turns into a crosshair cursor when you hover over it. That means you can click and drag to move it around. You can also resize it by dragging the little white circles at the corners. Kind of like stretching a slice of pizza in Excel. Except, sadly, this one won't melt cheese everywhere. You can personalize the calendar too. Like change the calendar's color, show week numbers if you prefer. Feel free to play around with available options and pick a style that matches your spreadsheet. Now let's put this calendar to work. We will use it to pick dates for each event in your sheet. Click on the first empty cell under Plan Date. Now go over to the Calendar widget and click the date you want. And boom, it instantly appears in the cell. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the rows. This is way faster and more accurate than typing dates manually. And it also keeps your format consistent across the sheet. Done using the calendar? You can remove it anytime. Super easy. Just click on the edge of the calendar to select it, then press the delete key on your keyboard. That's it. The calendar is gone from the sheet, but your dates stay right where they are. Want it back? No problem. Just go to the Developer tab, click Add-ins, and you will see the mini calendar and date picker under the My Add-ins tab now. Double click on it, and it will pop right back into your spreadsheet, ready to use. And that's how you insert a calendar in Excel. Quick, clean, and super useful for organizing anything with dates. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.